Okay, let's finally build the perfect routine for students. No more putting it off till tomorrow. Yeah, we all say this, right? But then it's snooze, scroll, and the same old frustrating cycle. So, we're going to build a schedule that actually works, one that gives you focus, energy, and free time. Look, motivation comes and goes, but discipline, that's what a good routine gives you every single day. Think of it like this: your routine is the operating system for your brain, it keeps things from crashing. The secret starts early. Waking up in this quiet window gives you a huge, calm head start. Your first few minutes really set the tone for the whole day, so choose calm over chaos. Okay, so there are 4 key steps here, and what's cool is how they all build on each other. Just 5 minutes of movement gets the blood flowing, sending more oxygen right to your brain. And seriously, don't skip breakfast. Your brain needs that fuel to actually work. Simple as that. Your brain is at its sharpest in the morning, so this is when you tackle your toughest subject. All right, set a timer for 50 minutes. No distractions, no multitasking, just pure focus. Then you get a 10-minute break. But here's the key: you have to get up and step away. That afternoon slump, right? We've all been there. The key is to become an active learner. So instead of just copying notes, you need to actually process the information. That's the difference. When your energy dips in the afternoon, switch gears. Do hands-on stuff, not heavy reading. And don't forget to recharge in the evening. This isn't being lazy, it's how you avoid burnout. Your evening study session is just for light review and planning. Absolutely no cramming allowed. Okay, this one's huge. That blue light from your phone messes with your sleep. Time for a digital sunset. Love this. Your brain literally saves what you learn during sleep. Don't hit delete on your hard work. It's all about consistency, not intensity. A solid 4 hours a day beats a panicked 12-hour cram session. So what's the one small thing you're going to change tomorrow? It all starts with that one first step.